Hello, we're the Doan Law Firm, your virtual bankruptcy attorneys. We're only virtual because we don't officially represent you, nor are we giving you legal advice, just some really good information that you need to know about considering bankruptcy. As a truly virtuous firm based on strong Christian values with 200 years of experience, we know bankruptcy, and a well-informed client is a happy client. Through this constantly updated video blog, we provide virtually all you need to know to make a good decision on whether or not bankruptcy is right for you.
Not only is bankruptcy an intimidating word, but the thought of voluntarily submitting yourself to this process sounds about as enticing as swimming with the sharks. Wait, there are a lot of similarities there. But we're here to tell you that the sharks are vegetarians, or they have really bad dentists and they've lost all their teeth. They're really just dolphins on a power trip, but I digress. The benefits of bankruptcy are many, but what do you need to do? Is it a walk around the neighborhood? Is it a 5K? Is it climbing Mount Everest? What stands between you and a successful discharge of your debts? We'll start with Chapter 7s because that's what most bankruptcies are. There are Chapter 13s as well, and we talk about that process in our video blog entitled Is 13 Your Lucky Number? In general terms, Chapter 7 is a total liquidation of your debts and takes about 4 to 6 months. Chapter 13 is a restructuring and repayment of your debts and takes about 3 to 5 years. Bit of trivia, Chapters 7 and 13 are named after the portions of the Bankruptcy Code called chapters. The first hurdle, of course, is choosing your lawyer, and for many people that sounds very Mount Everest, but it's the most important part of the process. There are a myriad of ways to choose a lawyer. Choose your bankruptcy lawyer with the same care you use to select your dentist, your babysitter, your mechanic, the shoes you wore today. You want somebody with experience who will be there from start to finish and can craft a plan for you based on your assets, your debts, and your goals for the future. That's going to be a little tough to do since we've snatched them all up for the Doan Law Firm, but at least you know where to find them in captivity. You've got your hired gun. What's next? Before you can file your bankruptcy case, you need to take a credit counseling course. Don't think traffic school, a day of blah, blah, blah. It's short and actually informative. You can take it online, in your bathrobe, at midnight, eating a ham sandwich. Your attorney's fees must be paid in full before you can file with the court. Otherwise, that becomes a debt of your bankruptcy estate and is discharged, and only rookie attorneys make that mistake. Once your fees are paid in full, your attorney and their staff work their magic, make the tough decisions, and run through the reams of paperwork. For this portion of the process at the Doan Law Firm, we assign you a case manager. This is somebody who loves details and numbers and is like a hog in mud with paperwork. Think of bankruptcy bean counter. Once every I is dotted and every T is crossed, you sign the petition under penalty of perjury and file it with the court. Once your petition is filed, the most amazing, the most wonderful, the most marvelous thing happens. Its name does not begin to probe the depth of its wonderfulness. It's called the automatic stay. The automatic stay, which could have been called the stay-o-matic in the 50s, or creditors be gone if it was contained in the garden section at Walmart, means all collection efforts must stop. No longer are process servers lurking in the bushes outside your home. Your phone is eerily quiet and garnishments from your paycheck are banished. The sun peeks through the clouds, the flowers bloom, the smell of apple pie is wafting in the air, and all is right with the world. The bankruptcy still has a few steps to go before it's full grown and hatched, but the hard part, the decision-making part, is done. In the Wonders of Number 7 Part 2, we look at the rest of the process.
There you have it, all you need to know. The virtual meets reality at Doan Law Firm. To speak with one of our real representatives, don't hesitate to contact us at 888-DOAN-LAW or at the web www.doanlawfirm.com. Don't wait for tomorrow. As they say, tomorrow never comes. Let Doan Law Firm help you today.